welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amzolin K. So a lot of you guys have been asking me on my Instagram and Facebook to share my natural hair wash day routine. So here is my step-by-step typical wash day routine, and I am going to be trying a new product from the Maui Moisture Hair Care. I'll be using their coconut line, and it says on the bottle that it's for thick and curly hair. So I am expecting some goodness from this, and I'll be using their conditioner, their shampoo, their curl smoothie, and also their curl milk. So I'm starting off with some really crusty dry hair. Like as you can see right now, my hair is really looking riggedy from a low bun that I did. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it right up there. So step number 1, I always start off by pre-pooing my hair. If you're not pre-pooing before shampooing on your wash day, girl, what are you doing? You're missing out. Like, try pre-pooing. So I always pre-poo with an hot oil. This is just a concoction of mine that I made, and I am going to be using this to pre-poo my hair. I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections, and in this video you'll be seeing me sectioning my hair furthermore as I go into the washing routine. So if you're wondering what pre-pooing is, it's basically a treatment that you do before shampooing your hair, and it has a whole lot of benefits. So it's going to help you melt down all those tiny knots and tangles. It's also gonna save you tons of time once you start detangling. Like, detangling process is sometimes tedious, but once you have a pre-poo done, it's gonna be a breeze. Like, seriously, I encourage you to try pre-pooing before you shampoo. And there are so many types of pre-pooing that you can do, but I find out the oil pre-pooing works better for my hair. Others use conditioners, others use aloe vera juice, and so on and so forth. So whatever works for you, but try to pre-poo. Okay, so what I'm doing is just saturating the oil into my scalp, giving it a thorough massage, and also onto my ends, concentrating mostly on my ends. Once my hair is well saturated with the oil, I throw on my bonnet and leave it on for like 30 minutes to allow it to melt down all those tangles. Step number 2, I hop into the shower, then detangle and rinse out the oils out of my hair. Yes, I do detangle at this point because the oils have melted down all the knots and the tangles. So detangling at this point is going to be as easy as breeze. And I use warm water for my hair. I have low porosity hair type. What that means is my pores are so closed, or my hair cuticles are tightly closed in a way that it hardly absorbs product or water. So if you have a low porosity hair type, avoid using cold water. So yes, at the point I'm going ahead and detangling my hair with my wide tooth comb. As you can see, guys, the comb just slides in easily because everything has been melted by the hot oil treatment. So I'm just feeling myself, guys. Sis, did you see what I saw? Did you see how my fingers just glide through my hair? That's how much detangled it is. And I lose little or no amount of hair at all. That is how much hair that I lose on that section. Like, this is how good pre-pooing is. Step number 3, shampooing. So once I have detangled all the sections on my hair, I go in and shampoo, focusing mostly on my scalp, which is where most of the buildup happens, and then I drag it down to the rest of my hair strands. Guys, look at how thick that shampoo looks, and it also has a whole lot of slip. It was really amazing. It amazed me. And by the way, it has no silicones, no mineral oils, no sulfates, no synthetic dyes and all that. So it did really well. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. All I'm saying is my own personal honest opinions. So I further detangled as needed, and guys, look at that bounce. Yo, it's real. Step number 4, conditioning. So once I finish shampooing and rinsing out my hair, I will then apply my conditioner to all 4 sections of my hair. And at this stage, I also go in with a tangle teaser just to further remove the tinier knots or tangles. So yeah. Okay guys, here is my review for the conditioner. It wasn't, first of all, as thick as the shampoo. It doesn't have a slip. So as soon as I applied it on my hair, it was just melting down and turning into liquid. So it didn't really work well for my hair, and I didn't like the way it left my hair feeling. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Alright, after conditioning, I then go ahead and further split down my sections into tinier sections and just rinse out the conditioner and twist it under the shower just to keep my hair stretched, because shrinkage is real, guys. Alright, once I've finished washing my hair, I go ahead and collect all the hair that I've been pasting on the wall. I place them on the wall because I don't want to cause blockage to the drainage system. So that is all the amount of hair that I lose, which is good. And I go ahead and tie my microfiber towel to my hair to allow it to soak out some of the moisture. And then let's head up to styling. Step number 5, moisturizing, sealing and styling. Alright, now for styling, I'm going to go ahead and use the Cold Milk and the Cold Smoothie as my creams and leave-in conditioners. And then I'm going to go ahead and lock in all that moisture with some organic argan oil. Guys, look at how thick that Cold Smoothie is. Like, whoo, my hair loves thick products, so looking forward to it. So I'm just gonna unravel my twist and then apply my smoothies and milk, and then yeah, lock it down with some good old argan oil. And then, oops, we have a guest. Yeah, he's all up on the screen to say hi to ya all. Like, and yes, we did had a little mommy and son talk. He's so cute, saying hi to you all. All right, guys, let's get back to business. So guys, so what I was doing, I was just applying the cold smoothie and the cold milk, and then seal it with my oil, and then I also apply some oil on my scalp, give it a little massage, and then twist down my hair. So that's what I'll be doing for the whole entire head. So I've twisted all my hair. I'm just gonna throw on my bedtime bonnet and then go to sleep basically, and then in the morning I'll unravel the twist and style. Good morning, it's the next day, guys. So I'm just gonna take off my bonnet and also apply some Balea Professional Oil Repair Intensive, just to avoid frizz, and also add a little bit of slip while unraveling my twist. Then from there I'm gonna just play around with some styles and style my hair. Unraveling the twist is so easy. That's what happens when you properly detangle your hair. And guys, look at that definition. Huh. Don't get mad at me for picking up that fro, because I wasn't going in for a well-defined look. I want it to look a little bit poofy and afro-y. At this point, I was just having fun with my hair, switching from one hairstyle to another. So you can just go around and play around with some styles and look cute. Like, just do you. So loves, that's it for my natural hair wash day routine. I hope it helped you out and also enjoyed it. If you do, please help me out as well by liking and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.